Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Satish. I just implemented one tool which is automatically grab data from particular website. See, I'm going to show you the small demo. One of my client is needed this grabber. So this is the tool actually. What it will do is it's grab all these details actually. See, when we are going to this page, this is the search page actually. So my client will enter some keywords here, and some enter some keywords like for example, he entered some such short. He will get short results and that particular keyword search. Once he got it, and he will get all the results regarding that particular. He will get 138 results. So what he wants is he wants all this information this all information like parcel number and account number and name and address and market and taxable and improvements and land and some other building details as well as some other values he needs. See, he needs all these values. So I made a small scrapper for this. I will explain you how exactly it's. Let me close. This is once you run the software, you will get you will get this window. What you need to do is you need to enter your keywords. So I'm entering some keyword like chart. So I got the chart. It means I got these digits. So once I entered some keywords, then I click in the search button. Okay. Once I click a search button, I got a 138 records. So what I can do is now I will start the searching. So see, what it will do is it's going to this page, the first record page, and it will grab these information the way we need actually. My client's name. So it's grabbing the parcel and account number as well as address and name and about all information about the living area and basement area and these parts automatically it's grabbed. So and also my clients needs what's the cost value of in year 2012 and 2011 and 2010. So these information is also the scrapper will automatically grabs. See, this already my scrapper is scrapper the first record. See here. See, it's a number of bathrooms and the number of attachments and the client area, how much price it is, and what's the account number and the owner of the account and address, and these things will be automatically scrapped. So, like this, we can automatically scrap the data. Once we scrap the data, I would like to stop the complete scrapper for two records. So, because the 138, it will lot of take a lot of time. So, I'm going to stop at the moment. So once I click the stop button, what it will do is it scrap the second record. Then after it will show the message the scrapping is completed. Okay, these so now I'm just showing the small demo how we can grab the so now I click the export to Excel sheet. See, like once I got these all the details. Now what I can do is I'd like to click export to Excel button. What it will do is it's automatically export these data into the Excel sheet. So I click that particular button. See how it's scrapped. So this is the information my client needs actually. So I'm just little hiding because of the security reasons. So this is the information we can grab. So the way we want number of the living area and basement, number of bathrooms and design and the hall attachments and the year built and these information the way my clients needs. So this is a small example how we can grab particular how we can grab particular data from website using how to. So this is a small demo. Thanks for your time and I hope you people like this. Thank you.